Hello, welcome to this video. I am Ashikur Rahman. In this video, I will show you how to install or how to configure the latest Google tag in your tag manager. So for that, this is very simple. You don't need to be worry about it or how to do it. You can do it by yourself. So you have to use the Google Tag Manager definitely. So at first, we have to go to our admin of our Google Analytics. In this case, we are using Google Analytics. So now click debug view, sorry, uh, setup assistant. Then click manage data streams, click web and click here. So this is measurement ID and also this is the Google tag ID. So to go Google tag and configure tag settings, so here we can see that our tag IDs. So this is the tag ID. So we have to copy this. This is and the measurement ID is same. So no problem. Just copy it and come here and go to tags. Click new tag configuration, Google Analytics and Google tag. So paste your tag ID here. Then click triggering all pages. Done. Now click save Google tag for Google Analytics. Okay, there is a problem. Let's reload this. Click new tag configuration, Google Analytics. So mistake, Google tag, paste your tag ID, click save. So we have to set a trigger all pages. So one more thing I you need to set up here, configuration settings, add parameter and write send underscore page underscore view. You have to send this page view data as we earlier sent a page view event with this, but we need to now configure this by writing this parameter. Then the value will be only true. That's it. Then click save for GA4. That's it. Click save. Perfect. We have set up our Google tag ID. So now if we send any kind of tag or analytics event, GA4 event, then we can see this now Google Analytics GA4 event. So we have to put our measurement ID basically, paste it. So what we can see that Google tag found in this container. So that's how you need to set up Google tag ID. So after set up this, you can use this GA4 GA4 tag as you want, as your requirement. You can send your required event or custom event, anything. So that is how you can set up Google tag. So we'll talk about it in details in another video. We'll show you how to set up other events like e-commerce event, basically lead event, anything. So to get this type of tutorial, please subscribe. We'll talk about it later. Bye.